If you wanna hold on, then hold
Opo.
on.
Wag mo lang
Hanggang-
tatakasan talaga.
Hold on hanggang sa tingin mo, oh, why am I holding on to this?
Gets.
Why am I holding on to this? Kaya ako, walang sapilitan sa mundo. Pag yung estudyante ko nakatulog sa klase, tulog inaantok
Opo.
I'm not gonna cause myself suffering na iniinsulto ako and all that. You know, because
Opo.
the world does not revolve around any of us.
Gets.
But we are part of it.
Yes.
Okay? We are part of it. That's why yung mga prayers minsan for personal, yung talagang sana Lord magustuhan ako. Anong gusto mong gawin ni Lord, di ba? And how different is that from a love
Opo.
potion? Anong gagayumahin ka? Ganun,
Opo,
di ba? O
totoo.
gagayumahin siya. You know? At saka kung ako naman yung pinagdadasal, talagang tigil-tigilan niyo ako, ha?
Opo.
Di ba? Kung hindi ko siya gusto, di ba? Anong
Opo.
gusto mong gawin ni Lord? Ima-manipulate para
Opo.
magustuhan
Hindi na
kita.
freedom yun, di ba?
Di ba?
Opo.
Di ba? And it's so undignified.
Opo.
I find it undignified.
Opo. Kasi parang yun nga po, parang, kunyari, gusto mo mahalin ka. Yung pagmamahal, it's a very natural thing na binibigay ng tao.
Actually,
Hindi siya hinihingi.
It's also
Ay, sorry.
somehow the ego that
Opo.
likes the reciprocation of it,
Opo.
the possession.
Gets.
Okay? But when you go deeper pa, yung love na it doesn't matter if I'm loved or not.
Opo.
Okay? Like I said, I fell in love and then, so minsan anong nangyayari? Wala. Kailangan ba may mangyari? But I was moved by it. I experienced it.
Opo.
I was touched by the experience. Hindi kailangan may mangyari. Yun na nga yun. Yung focus dun sa result.
So, kumbaga, it's a process po talaga, hindi sa result.
The now,
Opo,
the here and
opo.
now. Okay? The here and now. What is the meaning of life? Is that you're there.
Yes.
Is that you're there.
Yun talaga.
Is that you're there, participating. Are you ready to receive what the universe is giving?
Matanong ko lang ma'am, pagka ganun po ba, pagka dumarating yung mga moments of anxieties, moments of ganyan, meron po ba kayong mga mantra na inaano sa sarili niyo?
I don't fight it. It's more of watching.
Opo.
And then where it's coming from. And then of course, namnamin mo rin yung experience. Kasi human experience
Opo.
yan. The anger, the fear, the insecurities.
Opo.
Diba? And then you look at that straight in the eye. Tapos biglang parang nagdi-dissipate
Opo.
afterwards. Because the impermanence even negative feelings will not stay forever.
Yes, yun nga yung yung alon ng
Oo.
sa yin yang. No?
Pati yung positive, hindi rin. Diba?
Opo.
So, but while you're there,
Ma'am, kung mapag-usapan naman po natin, yun nga po, yung pagiging present. Babalik po tayo doon na ang expert niyo po talaga is Zen Buddhism.
I don't even like to use the word expert.
Okay. Ano po
Diba?
ba?
I'm specializing in it. Okay. No one is an expert when it comes to...
Opo.
yun.
Kung may elaborate nyo lang po ba, ano po ba ang Zen Buddhism?
Well, Zen is basically, what I love about Zen Buddhism is that it goes against Buddhism,
Yes.
meaning it transcends doctrines and dogmas and teachings coming from here. That's why yung mga Zen masters minsan nananampal,
Opo,
ganyan. The categories master, disciple, relevant lang yan pag hindi ka pa nakakarating dun sa enlightenment.
Opo.
But the desire of the master is for you also to be enlightened, and then the categories disappear. The category. And it always brings you back to the world of daily affairs.
Opo.
You know, gad-gad ka, layo ng pinag-iisip mo. Ito, ang daming tasks. Okay, you talk about love na napakalaki. Ito, facing you, di ba? You have a kid to take care of. You have a neighbor. Am I my brother's keeper? Ultimately, the answer to the question is yes. Yes.
Bakit?
Because we are connected to each other. And that's part of the meaning of life, that you do not only think of yourself and your fulfillment. And yung deeper fulfillment, kasama lahat. Hindi lang ikaw. Hindi ka maiiwanan. In fact, kasama ka. Pero yung ego kasi, takot na who is more important? Ako o sila? Others? Yung ganong conflict. Walang dilemma. I think love does not find itself in a dilemma. It's the ego that finds itself in a dilemma.
So maganda po talaga ng mga tao, pagka nagde-decide, lagi nilang isipin kung ano ba to, talaga bang gusto kong gawin to or ego ko lang yung nagsasabi na dapat kong gawin to. No?
You have to know. Awareness. It's
Yes.
more of awareness than thinking
Yes.
Kasi yung thinking is limited.
Yes.
It's more of awareness. Kaya ang method sa Eastern consciousness ay
Opo.
yung meditation.
Meditation, yes.
You sit, you
I'm a
watch.
fan of meditation.
You watch the energy that's arising from you, that's arising from the
Opo.
community. Masarap magbago ang Pilipinas.
Yes.
But I don't see the energy that will result in that. Diba?
Ma'am, kung mapag-usapan lang po natin kanina yung
And that's not being pessimistic.
Opo. Pero kasi, pag nakita nyo po talaga yung paligid sa Pilipinas, ang hirap maging optimistic. Pero, pero kayo po ba, ma'am? Sa view nyo ba? May pag-asa pa ba ang Pilipinas?
Well, sa pag-asa, as long as life is there, talaga namang
talaga,
meron.
opo.
But it will take certain things from us.
Aabutan pa
diba?
ba natin?
Well, hindi ko alam. Well, actually, it does not matter naman
Yes.
if it happens in my lifetime or not. Sana. Sana. You know? Pero ngayon, parang kahit bumaba si Kristo sa Pilipinas, papakawin ulit ng Pilipino. Diba? Utang na loob ka. Kasi ang gusto lang nila yung, Lord, bigay mo to, Lord, ganito. Pero ano naman ang ginagawa mo para makuha natin yung gusto natin?
Opo. Tsaka maisingit ko lang din po si Jesus Christ. Actually, parang yung teaching po talaga ni Jesus Christ, kung hindi medyo na-politicize ng history.
Gano'n naman.
Love din talaga siya eh. Yun lang, universal love lang din talaga eh. Tsaka yung being one with God, parang being one with the universe. Parang yun din po talaga. Pero yun nga po, ma'am. Nabanggit niyo po kanina yung salitang enlightenment. So, yun po, si Buddha, tinawag na nagka-nirvana, nagka-enlighten siya. Si Jesus Christ, nag-transfiguration, enlightened. Pero para sa inyo, ma'am, ano po ba talaga ang true definition ng enlightenment? O ano ang taong enlightened?
Well, ako, ang enlightenment ay, the subject of the enlightenment is precisely everything about the universe. The role of the positive and the negative, not in the ethical sense only, but also in the yin-yang sense only.